Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Mommy V of Edvi and Arya. Today I'll share the renovation of our small front space. When we bought this property, all we had was this small cemented area and an organized huge plant space in front. Meron akong malunggay and my moss miss calamansi tree. May flowering plants din like variety of gumamela, sampaguita, santan, and some other ornamental plants. During the COVID pandemic, I started planting vegetables. I have sitaw, okra, ampalaya, talong, kamatis, salugbati. When I got bored waiting for them to bear fruits, I started planting ornamental plants, which became too overwhelming. Halos wala na malakaran sa dami. And seeing them made me feel so claustrophobic, so we decided to renovate finally. I hope this video will inspire you too to make your own space welcoming and relaxing. Let me share our target look and what took place in between the before and after. Let me share the step-by-step process and the total cost you spent at the end of the video. Keep watching guys and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Every renovation is a massive headache, and this simple renovation, which was supposed to be for a few weeks, lasted for more than 3 months due to endless delays from our contractor. The only enjoyable part for me of this makeover was decorating the sitting area. There's so many elements to consider, from which shade of leather to use for the sofa, design of the tiles, which chairs to use, whether to paint the wall or not, the table to use, the best lighting, and whether to decorate the space with more plants. There's just so many choices. So let me walk you through what we went through with the renovation. Let's start. Okay.
Almost done. Wala pa rin yung bubong ng aking patio. Hello, baby. Show mama's work.
Done everything inside and out, up and down, all around.
Okay. May bird nest. Oh. Yes, ice cream. Sarap breakfast. Aya! Hindi pa nagsusuklay.